All of Destiny, and in this video I will be sharing with you all my struggle of a hair tutorial that eventually brought us to this point. I absolutely love it. I feel like my curls are similar to the way I wore my hair when I went to Atlanta for the natural hair show. A different wig, same type of curls. I kind of started off doing my hair myself, and then my mom popped up with a new car, so in the midst of me not being done yet, I rode with her, ended up over there. My little sister Boone helped me. I came home and I just put a few flexi rods in my hair while I finished. Why do YouTubers narrate the entire video before y'all have even seen it? Why do we do that? This video is sponsored by WowAfrican. You all know that I absolutely love working with them. I mean, look at this hair, like, baby. Wanted to start off with a face mask, that little pampering stuff. I decided to hold that footage to keep it separate, that way I won't have to shorten it too much in this video. This is the wig and it's from WowAfrican. All of the details are in my description box down below. I'm going to start off by doing a little bit of plucking. I'd like to dampen the hair first, comb it back, and I make a small little part, and then I just basically begin to pluck out and tweeze some of the hair, and then I comb it out to see what we have so far. Make sure that you're plucking from the root and not just shortening the strands. This is very random. I just kind of part the hair and pluck around, and after a while this is what we have compared to how we started off. I'm just going to repeat that process a little bit. Sometimes I don't pluck all the way around, depends on where I know my part is going to be. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It does have combs if you don't want to wear a stocking cap. I definitely just took those underneath my braids. I'm going to take some L'Oreal foundation that matches my skin tone and just quickly apply that. I didn't apply it all over. I just apply it kind of where I know my part will be, because it's not necessary to go all over if I'm not parting my hair all over, if that makes sense. Just make sure you get that front portion where you'll be able to see that line of demarcation underneath your wig. And I'm just using water and Got to Be Freeze spray to lay my part a little bit more. Can't get enough. I'm gonna take some pressed powder, girl, some pressed powder. A little brush like this and just bring y'all in so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm taking some pressed powder. This one is by Black Radiance. It's in creamy beige, and I'm using a small little flat brush just to bring out the parting space some, and this helps to really just basically hide the lace. And I'm using my Numi flat iron. It's probably on the highest setting. It's a wig, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, and I'm just straightening out the hair a little bit. Oh snaps, my folks here in their new car. Let's go see. I'm coming. See how they blowing the horn? See how my hair blowing? Watch them have something smart to say about my hair, but I'm in the process of finishing it. Ooh. New car, white car. Shucks now.
What's that you got on your head?
Girl, my new wig. I haven't finished it.
Just drink you some juice and stuff. I didn't know Bruce.
Alright guys, so we're gonna be in this new car.
Put on stop so you can ride with us.
New car. Who's in the house? We got D-Side.
You ain't yelling.
That's how I'm supposed to yell.
Who's
in the house? We got D-Side in the house, and when D-Side in the house, we gonna rock it.
Redo it.
Can I borrow your intro music? Who's in the house? We got D-Side in the house, and when D-Side in the house, we gonna rock it all the way down. Thought so hard, got the fence. Alright y'all, so whatever I was about to do, I probably still put it together, but at this point, my mama picked me up. She got a new car. We stopped at Burger King. I'm at my folks' house now. By the time I go back home, I'm not gonna feel like finishing my hair, so I just asked my sister, and she's still sitting up in the background. But yeah, my sister is gonna finish my hair, guys. Maybe the title of this should still be this. I don't know. I might have switched the title to Sister Does My Hair or First Day Get Ready With Me. I don't know. Sister Does My Hair for my first day get ready with me. So yeah, I'm gonna let her finish setting up. I was just, why would you cut the camera on before she finished setting up? So I'm gonna have to include the other footage, otherwise y'all won't know where we started from. Y'all know how my videos go. We just be filming and we put it together and voila, bada bing, bada boom, make it do what it does. Because let me save my space because I ain't bring my charger. I can't see because my glasses glare if I keep them on, but we're gonna let this be a voiceover so D-Side can cut her hair back on.
Yes,
they're not glaring now. I never got my hair done by anyone else. I never had anyone else to do my wig except me. I think my mama did my wig. That was a long time ago when I had like this cute bob, the first bob that I dyed and cut and colored and all of it. I'm gonna link it down below so y'all can see it's a process to all of this. Like the more you do it, the better you get at doing it. We ready to decide? I just like this chair. I need a chair like this. In my filming room, Decide. By the way, it's Decide. I don't know why I say Decide. Decide is her. Yeah, I always say Decide. It's Decide. I have her information to her YouTube channel linked down below. I think she's about to start a new channel, so I'll keep y'all posted on that too. I didn't bring anything with me, so she uses all of her own things, but I'll get a list from her and put everything in the description box down below. We winging it! We winging it!
You gotta insert the clip of when she said that.
Who?
Chrissy from Love and Hip Hop.
Voiceover starts now.
My bad, I wasn't looking. I was trying to look at the camera. I'm sorry. That ain't gonna happen again. I was trying to look at the camera. Oh God, if she put up her, what? I'm sorry. You can do the look like that. I was looking back at the camera. Why would you look at the camera but put the flat on? Cause my mannequin don't ever cry when I burn her. I'm sorry, ain't gonna happen no more. I know you ain't talking. You don't burn me a minute day. Minute day. I ain't gonna do it no more, bro. My barrel big.
Yeah, it's usually on the left. You can do whatever you like. We're outside now because my nephew wants to play in the backyard. And when you ask your sister to do your hair, but your nephew come first, you know, you gotta get it how you get it.
They sent you this half stuff.
With my other wig, someone asked me to move the part over on my pixie cut wig. If the eye wig would have looked better to them if I moved my part over. But I was like, I moved it over as far as I could. Did I comment that or did I think that in my mind? I can't remember. I probably thought it. I'm that person. I don't think I replied to a text message and didn't do it. Same with my
Light skin people do.
Light skin people. Oh, don't say that on YouTube. You know everybody's sensitive nowadays. They are. Ooh, okay, Decide. If y'all wondering how we're doing this outside, my folks have a plug outside. I know that would have been obvious, but somebody would have
better being right there.
I like how you do it out where, as long as I ain't gotta do it. Nice little background, you know. Work that hot comb, Decide. I mean, Decide. Doing hair in Memphis and I ain't sweating. I can't believe it. Alright, y'all, if y'all want to book with Decide, you gotta get your hair done wherever my nephew feel like playing it. But she gonna get you right, okay? And my mama plugging up the fan. Who you know built like this? Some may call this ghetto. We call this, what we call it?
Improvise.
Improviser. You Canelpa. Your favorite YouTuber Canelpa. The fan on now, so hyperlapse the rest of this. Okay guys, so basically she's just using the hot comb to help to lay and slay and press my hair down and make it all nice and laid. I guess we kind of do hair differently, so it's gonna be a little more laid than my usual laid because Decide just hooking it up, you know. This is a Remington flat iron that she's using. I'll get the information about it and put it in my description box down below once I chat all of that up with her. But she's just basically giving me these big voluminous curls, flat iron curls if you will. They're going back and then she's just pinning them. Everything else is kind of self-explanatory, so enjoy this music. And y'all, ain't much else to say. I just need y'all to know that I really enjoy not doing my own hair and I'm just sitting back chilling, letting someone else do it for once. Let me know if I should also let someone else do my hair for my 28th birthday. Let me know. This really looks like it could be relaxed hair. Like it looks like somebody with natural hair got their hair blown out or something, which gives you the more realistic vibe. I'm gonna continue this challenge and I'm only able to use whatever my sister has here since I'm still over here. And we're gonna lay some of that out there. There we go. I'm only using whatever my sister has to lay my wig with. Challenge. I need some concealer. Only thing with different shades.
I got I think I got a lot of shades.
Concealer.
I thought the thing was falling.
No, it ain't falling. I'm using some of her Sebastian multi-benefit hairspray for the flyaways. Just kind of brush that on there. Let's see where her brushes may be.
Are they up in here?
Okay. She found the.
I just never returned. When you have somebody's stuff for longer than 3 weeks, it's not yours.
She found the tweezers. We're cool now. I'm about to go in. I did do some plucking. But when I pluck based on where my part is gonna be and how I plan to style my hair. I didn't go over here that much because I knew I was gonna have a center part, so I needed to only pluck near the center. But since my part is moved now, these are my good Revlon tweezers. I need my glasses on too. Still trying to not glue it down, guys. So as I pluck, y'all will see. Oh, she got my concealer color. Yeah, baby. What kind of brush you be using? I just use a flat brush. This is cool. This video could be titled a whole bunch of things. I never really pluck on my head. So when I pluck, I hold the hair and pull out some, but you never stay in the same spot and do it. You really just move around and then comb it out to see what you get. I might pull some right here, then I move over and start pulling some more. Then I move over and start pulling some more. Make sure you're pulling from the root good though, because otherwise you'll just be shortening the strands of hair, but you're not taking them out, if that makes sense. You can stop and check and see what you have. For me, I need more. Doesn't have to be perfectly neat. So for whatever reason, my stocking cap was starting to come up, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my sister's, I think that's the ghost bun that she has. I didn't have anything to tie it down with, so yeah, I'm just gonna improvise. Do what you gotta do, okay? Taking some of that toffee concealer to bring out the parting space a little bit more since we moved the part. Luckily, we use the same edge tamer. I was holding that to get it. I'm pretty sure I said that in the voiceover, never mind. So yeah, but we do use the same edge control and stuff, so, or edge tamer, so that's good. Ooh, the side, the comb on hers ain't that good. Oh my god. I'm waiting on that to dry, then we'll move it. Alright guys, so my camera ended up dying on me. Why do I always say alright guys whenever I start my voiceover? It ended up dying, made it home, did my makeup, got on my clothes now, and I went ahead and put about 7 flexi rods in the hair while I had my shower, so the curls are a little more tight to preserve them. That's the same thing that I do, but since you all know I like the glueless method, I basically put my rollers in and then I'm able to take it off, put it on the mannequin stand, voila, put it back on, take the rollers out, boom. So yeah, I'm just laying the edges a little bit, and that was basically it for this look. Action. Action.
I'm gone.
Alright, Nick. The hair really speaks for itself. It's giving me relaxer vibes, if not relaxer vibes, maybe blown out natural hair that we just, girl. I need to put my earrings in, but other than that, I'm all dressed ready to go. Special thank you to WowAfrican for sponsoring this video. If you all like this hair, or if you all want to get any wig from WowAfrican, you can use my coupon code. It's not an affiliation code, it's just more so for you all to get a discount. It is Destiny15. It will be also on the screen and in my description box down below, as well as all of the other details about this hair. I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, everything that I use, products, all of that will be in the description box down below. If y'all like videos like this, definitely be sure to give this one a thumbs up, that way I will know. Oh, by the way, I'm uploading every other day on my channel for the month of July, because cancer season, hello. July 17th, hello, if you're wondering why it's 17 uploads. So every other day, starting July the 1st, every other day on my channel, I'll be uploading a video. So yeah, we got a good amount of uploads left. So comment anything if you're still watching, recommendations that is something that you may want to see on my channel for the month of July, because I'm gonna be dropping videos like. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I gotta go now, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later, girl. I'm feeling this. I didn't run my hands through the curl. Oh, I need to show y'all the back. She didn't show the back. My little sister showed out. Shout out to D-Side. Go and subscribe to my sister's channel. If you're not, I actually have 2 sisters and they both have channels. So why are you, like, help me understand why you're subscribed to me if you're not subscribed to them. Give me a good explanation. My makeup looks really cute. Kim, can we get a thumbnail, please? Like, hold on. We need a YouTubers, I was trying to get face. We'd be like, okay, I'm done. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye guys. Click over here to watch more videos on my channel. Check out what I got over here. 2 more hair tutorials over here. If you've seen both of those, shout out to you, but definitely go and find something else to watch on my channel. Click over here on my cute little face to subscribe to my YouTube channel, girl. Yes, road to 200K. It's free. Why not subscribe? Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. I'm like pretty witty with my hair flip at the end, right?